ride on Marble Madness here at Pleasurewood Hills. You're watching the sausage roller coaster, and this is your POV of Marble Madness, the past wild Marble coaster here at Pleasurewood Hills. Big go to this one. Let's go. Let's go, here we go. Ready down. Ready for the drop. And race. Oh. Ready for that time. Let's go. That time. Ready. Coming towards the end of the ride now. Get ready for the sharp break. Here we go. And that concludes your ride on Marble Madness. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and keep riding and subscribing.